My people, about this VDM and Peter Okoye matter wey dey go on, many people no really understand the kind game wey VDM dey play with Peter Okoye. Na only person wey dey smart na dem go fit code the kind game wey VDM dey play with Peter. No be say Peter really offend VDM, no. But the way the matter dey take go, na payback game na him VDM dey play with Peter Okoye. Him fit dey aware, if he no dey aware. But I go begin dey analyze as the matter dey go. Wetin make VDM suddenly become Peter Okoye enemy? Yes, e don tey, no be today. My people, una see this issue wey dey happen between Peter, Paul, Jude. VDM know wetin be the truth. No be say e no know wetin be the truth. He just use that opportunity to take fight payback game with Peter Okoye. He don get Peter Okoye for mind tey. But Peter no dey aware. He no dey aware at all. He no know say VDM na im great enemy. Na enemy VDM be to Peter Okoye. But it's unfortunate that Peter no even know. And if he know, all those why we dey together with Peter, we dey chat, they dey talk. VDM busy, they gather evidence wey im go take fight Peter Okoye. E dey very, very unfortunate because it just be like say you dey make friend, with your enemy, but you no know say that person wey you dey make friend with, say na enemy, na in the person be to you. I go begin dey analyze some things here we go make una understand wetin I really mean by that statement, say na payback game na im VDM dey play with Peter Okoye. My people, I tell una say this matter wey dey happen between Peter and im brothers dem, VDM know wetin be the truth. He just want twist the matter to favor am, to his own favor. He come see say as him put mouth for Peter Okoye matter, everybody dey against am. Even him own followers begin dey unfollow am. He see say the matter he go pass in power. He see say the matter of Peter Okoye, if he make am lose all the followers wey im get. Una know wetin dey happen na on social media. You see as una see as people they begin dey drag VDM up and down. No be small dragging, no. People begin dey insult am. They begin dey do many videos for am. My people, even people wey claim say they love VDM before, all of them don come out to begin dey disown VDM just because of say the love wey they get for Peter Okoye. And apart from that, sef, the way VDM take handle this Okoye and them in brother them matter, everybody know say e dey clearly, e dey very clear. Say VDM dey bias, e dey one-sided. Now because of that issue wey e get with Peter Okoye, we be say e no dey aware of. I go shock na. You see this matter wey dey on ground. E go long go, no be small thing. Una go notice say VDM don come out. E don begin dey rant. E don begin dey threaten. E don begin dey talk some many things. Say e get evidence. Say internet go scatter. This one go scatter. That one go scatter. Na because of this issue now wey I wan analyze for now. Na im make am dey talk that kind of matter for mouth, my people. You wanna see this matter wey dey ground now. VDM, I dey tell una say VDM dey fight Peter Okoye because of Iyabo Ojo. Yes, na because of Iyabo Ojo. Na only people wey dey smart, wey dey calculative, na dem fit understand this game wey VDM dey play with Peter Okoye. My people, na because of Iyabo Ojo. Yes, so na because of Iyabo Ojo na im VDM dey fight Peter Okoye. If una no know, make una hear today. And I'm glad say Iyabo Ojo really understand the kind of game VDM is trying to play with Peter Okoye. She understand that game very well. You see, Iyabo Ojo na very smart woman. She did very intelligent and she did very calculative. Yes, now so that woman, she really understand wetin dey go on right now. If una notice early this morning, VDM come out, e come begin dey talk, dey rant, dey talk many things, say im get some everywhere go scatter, this one go happen, that one go happen. Me, I know wetin VDM, I know the kind game wey im dey try to play. If una go check my page on Facebook, I post one thing there wey be say I talk about VDM. I talk about the game wey VDM dey try to play, and I even talk am there say the next thing wey we go begin dey see now, VDM go bring out, he go revisit Mohbad case. He go come take that one, take buy Nigerians heart. You know now, you know say if you don't bring out anything wey concern Mohbad, everybody go rush go im page, they go wan hear wetin im go talk, wetin be the new update, now wetin im believe be that. So now the only way wey im feel say if he buy the heart of those im followers we don't leave am, wey they say they no like am again, na the only way im fit bring them back, and na the only way wey be say im go fit get more followers for im page. Yes, na so e be, my people. After VDM don come out, begin dey talk that nonsense wey begin dey talk in the morning, e no tey Iyabo Ojo come put up an update, my people. According to wetin Iyabo Ojo talk, that's why I dey tell una say Iyabo Ojo, she understand this game wey VDM dey try to play. Yes, so Iyabo Ojo, she really understand the game. According to wetin Iyabo Ojo post for her page this afternoon, make una follow me, make we read them together. She say, I am aware my detractors are plotting. I am solidly on ground. As a law-abiding citizen, we shall keenly observe adherence to the rule of law, compliance with due process and institutional independence. Our eyes were seeing the crooked plans and camouflaged visits. Our ears are hearing the silent whisperings. And likewise, our lips won't cease to speak to the consciousness of the society. My beautiful fans and family, irrespective of how far falsehood may travel, the truth shall catch up with it one day. The truth shall emerge in earnest. My people. Now, wetin Iyabo Ojo put for her page this afternoon. Una see under this post, the music wey Iyabo Ojo play for this write-up. Una go see say na Peter Okoye I can't look away music. Na im she take put this page. If una no make una go list, make una go check Iyabo Ojo page. Una go see the updates which she put on. Make una come listen to the music which she take wey dey under this her post. Una go see say na Peter Okoye song. Meaning say she really understand the game wey VDM they try to play. Now where I dey go be this, make una follow me. Make una now here una go know the reason why I say this game wey VDM they play with Peter Okoye na because of Iyabo Ojo. Yes, na because of Iyabo Ojo. If una remember, during that time of Mohbad issue, where everybody begin to drag Iyabo Ojo left, right, and center, where people begin to insult her, say she be bad person, say she no be mother, say she decide Wunmi we be Mohbad wife, say Iyabo Ojo no wetin kpai Mohbad. Una remember, where people begin to drag her. My people, during that time, Peter Okoye dey support Iyabo Ojo. e dey show Iyabo Ojo love. Na all those things wey VDM dey see that time wey dey vex am. The thing dey vex am say the person wey be say everybody dey drag, wey everybody dey insult, why be say Peter Okoye go dey show her love. Yes, Peter Okoye dey show her love that time. Yes, so my people, that love massive that time because Peter really support Iyabo Ojo. He dey encourage her. As he dey call Iyabo Ojo my wife, now so you go dey hail her because of Paul Okoye. Even I remember after some time with the Mohbad issue, don dey fade small for internet. Now so we can see Priscilla, wey she ma come bring her husband. We come begin dey see Priscilla with her Tanzania husband. Juma Juice, wey everybody come begin dey admire her. Say, Iyabo Ojo really try, oh. Iyabo Ojo na mother, oh. Iyabo Ojo na good mother, oh. People wey been hate Iyabo Ojo that time, everybody come begin dey love her just because of Priscilla Ojo. My people, as Priscilla Ojo matter come enter, na im people come begin dey forget the hatred wey dey get for Iyabo Ojo. Along the line, na we come dey see Iyabo Ojo with Polo. Also everywhere where Iyabo Ojo go, we go see Polo. They go dey show love to each other. In fact, they come dey shakara us with their loving that time. As mother dey shakara us, na im Priscilla too with her Jumajo's husband that time. They begin dey, display love. In fact, that time, so everybody come begin dey love Iyabo Ojo. Now during that time, safe, na him Peter Okoye comment come begin dey yakpa, come begin dey everywhere. Any post wey Iyabo Ojo bring out, you go see Peter Okoye go like am or make him comment. My people, actually all those time wey Peter Okoye begin dey comment, dey encourage Iyabo Ojo, dey show Iyabo Ojo love. All those comments dey pain VDM. No be small. In dey feel say why be say na Iyabo Ojo Peter go support, why Peter no support am, why Peter no dey show love, the kind love wey he dey show Iyabo Ojo that time. Why be say no be him Peter dey show the kind love. My people, no be small thing. No. Make I read one of Peter Okoye message wey he drop for Iyabo Ojo that time wey Priscilla born, wey she born Rakim. My people, now this one come pain VDM enter body. No be small. This message pain VDM well. My people, moko follow read them together. As una dey see, una see say na Peter Okoye na him drop the comment wey Iyabo Ojo come reply with love. In right, in talk say, congratulations to our latest grandma and my sweetest sister-in-law. We love you so much. This so much wey Peter Okoye write, so wey una dey see, na him be the problem wey VDM get gangan. Say why Peter of all people go dey show love to Iyabo Ojo? Why be say all this comment wey Peter dey comment on top of Iyabo Ojo page, why be say no be him page in dey come comment all this comment? My people, after everything wey they don't talk about Iyabo Ojo, in dey feel say Peter Okoye still get the mind, he still get the audacity to go the comment on top of Iyabo Ojo page. My people, una see this matter wey dey ground, so the matter go long go. No be small. This matter, e go long. People wey they go implicate them. People wey they go rope, wetin no even consign them. Matter wey no even consign them. They go rope them. My people, una see this matter, e go consign Peter sef as the matter dey go. Because if una notice, VDM don come out, come begin dey talk say, you see the post wey Iyabo Ojo wey she put for her page, say even though he no call her name, say she get mind to post that kind page for her page, this and that. My people, the post wey Iyabo Ojo put for her page, she no call VDM name there. No be say she call VDM name. But because of say VDM understand, say Iyabo Ojo understand the kind of game wey in dey try to play with Peter. Say the thing, Iyabo Ojo really understand the game well. That's why una see say VDM come begin dey, call out Iyabo Ojo name. Im come dey talk say, say maybe they think say they don't forget Mohbad case. Say he no forget o. Say now he go revisit the case. Say he go bring out a lot of evidence. Say people go cry tire. Say me they go they find bucket. He talk many things for in video where he talk. He say, I dey tell una see this matter where they ground. VDM go rope am for Peter Okoye neck. He go rope am for Iyabo Ojo. Of course now, una know that one. That one don dey ground before say they don't rope this matter for Iyabo Ojo neck. But as the matter dey now, VDM, he go rope this matter of Okoye family. He go rope am on top Peter Okoye neck. Because he don dey talk say this issue of Okoye family, say they won't do am as Mohbad own. My people, BDM talk say Peter Okoye won't cancel Paul and Jude Okoye as they take cancel Naira Marley. How this matter of Peter Okoye family take dey related with Mohbad own? Na him me I no understand, my people. That's why I talk say now only people wey dey smart, wey dey calculative, na them go fit understand the game wey VDM dey play presently with Peter Okoye. As him don talk say him get a lot of evidence. Moko see wetin go happen. At the end of the day, una go see say the kind things wey VDM go dey bring out na things wey go dey implicate Peter Okoye, and him go dey talk about Iyabo Ojo dey join. As the matter dey go, we go see, my people. Na wetin happen, how Peter Okoye take become VDM enemy. Na the matter I don analyze for una so. This matter wey dey ground, VDM just use the opportunity because he don't get time for mind say he really wan deal with Peter Okoye. He don't get time for mind say he dey look for way wey he go take pull Peter Okoye down. That's why una hear say in the talk say they won't cancel Paul and Jude Okoye, just the way they take cancel Naira Marley, my people. Mokuna tell me for comment section how this matter of Okoye and Mohbad Naira Marley take dey related, my people. This one tire me. This one tire me, no be small. Una see that video. A very wicked and heartless boy. Na him that boy be, my people. Very heartless. He know they want me they challenge him. In the feel say everybody must dey under am. As in they see Iyabo Ojo as an enemy, definitely any celebrity wey dey follow Iyabo Ojo, automatically the person don't become an enemy. You see VDM and Lizzy Anjorin, different no dey. They know, in fact, you see their attitude with their character, na the same thing. Only be say VDM, they come begin they cause. In own, in the drum under. Una see VDM, my people. That boy, we sit down they wait. Moko see the kind evidence we won't begin they bring. I be waiting in one talk about Peter Okoye. Again, I be waiting in one talk about Iyabo Ojo. We will never hear before. But people will understand this game. Everything we VDM go bring out now, it no go dey new to them. Yes, it no go dey new to them, my people. And so the matter be. In case people will they wonder, say how Peter Okoye take offend VDM. Now wetin Peter Okoye do. Now I don't analyze for una so, my people. We go sit down they watch wetin VDM won't bring out.